Okay, hi guys. Today I will give you a tutorial for basic statistic for monthly data by using R. And then we will put this statistic that we calculated by using R and put it on our Shiny. So it will be like web-based interface. So welcome to another tutorial on data analysis, smarter R, and visualization using R. So in this tutorial, we will explore how to perform a basic statistic on monthly data and create an interactive dashboard by using R Shiny. Okay, let's dive in. First, let's load the necessary libraries for our analysis and Shiny apps. So first, we need to load the required libraries, which is library Shiny, library open air, and library pastek. So if you don't know how to install the library for Shiny, you can put it in the console here. Press install.packages and then Shiny, and then enter, and then it will install you this package. Just click OK, and then it will install. If you already installed it, if there is a new version, it will update your package. As you can see here, I already actually installed the Shiny library package, but I'm reinstalling it. So it actually will update my package. So let's finish update it. So it's already finished. The same thing for OpenAir and Pastek, you can just put in the console here install.packages and then OpenAir and then run it and then install Pastex, the same thing, and then you will get all these three library in your R. Okay, now set the working directory to the location of your dataset. So first we set the working directory. So this is set working directory, which is the folder where I put my dataset. So my folder is here in this folder. You go to the address bar here, left click, and then copy this one. You can just copy this address, put it in R, make sure there is two line here. So it will read your dataset. So first I run my library first. So it's there. OpenAir is already also there. And then pastek. And then I run my folder. So it's run my folder. Next, let's read our monthly data from CSV file. So then we read the data. So my data is in the CSV file. So this is the data. We have year from 1981 to 2021. So this is monthly rainfall data. So we have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. 12 months. So this is monthly data arranged in, I call it white arrangement, not long, white. So we have January, February, March until December. So this is how I arrange my data in the CSV file. So I put this data set in this folder just now, which is this one. You can see here. And then just copy the name of this data and then put it in read CSV here. Read CSV, put it here. Date, my data set, I put it as date. So read CSV, it will read this CSV file. Okay, now I read it. I run it. Okay, now I run the data. If we want to see the data, we can just put view that, and you will view your data in R. Also, you can also do it like this. I like using this view function. Okay, now we will calculate the basic statistic for the monthly data. So to calculate the basic statistic, we use the function stat des. So I put it as a result. So stat des read the data from 2 to 13. So we have this data just now. The monthly data, we read the second column until the 13th column. So the first column, we will not read it. We only read the second until the 13th column. Read it. So basic true, dash true, norm true, and P equal to 0.95. So after that, we run this one. Okay, run. So it already calculate the basic statistic for monthly data. So to enhance the readability, now let's add row names to the result. Add row names to the result, we use res, this result, we cbind it and use the raw names for this result. So we have the raw names for this result is this one, year, January until December. So I want to put it in my results to have this heading in the data. So I put it here, cbind, row is equal to row names of the result just now, and then results. So put it there. Okay, run this. Okay. Now, let's see what rest the view. We can view this data. Rest, what is the rest now? Now we get all this result. We put the raw names up there here just now. And then I put the row for the variable, the name of the variable, and then row here for the row names from January until December. Okay. Okay, now let's refine the user interface for our Shiny apps. So to define the user interface, we put UI here, read UI, and then use the function fluid page, and then put the title panel. And then this is the title. I put the title for my interface for my website. It will be basic statistic. And then close this bracket, comma, tap set panel, and then open bracket, tab panel. So basic statistic, the result is will be for basic statistic. Table output will be stats table, and then close it. So we read this one, run it. Okay. Next, define the server logic for displaying basic statistic in a table. So now we define the server logic. So we already have user interface just now, UI. Now we define the server logic. So we use function input, output, and then display basic statistic in a table. We put output stat table, stats table just now this here, stat table, and then render table, and then close it. And now it will define the server logic. Okay. Finally, let's run our Shiny apps. So this one stat table just now is the result of the output statistic. Run the Shiny app. Here we run the Shiny apps, which is Shiny apps user interface and the server. So we have user interface. We run it here just now, and then this is the server, and then we run it. And here it is, the output for basic statistic for monthly data. We put it in this interface. So we have number of variable here, 41. That means that from 1981 to 2022 is 41. And then there is no missing data. So minimum rainfall, for example, January here we have, let's make it bigger. January we have minimum rainfall, maximum rainfall, range of the highest maximum minus minimum, sum of the rainfall, sum of the monthly rainfall, median of the monthly rainfall, mean of the monthly rainfall for January, SE mean, standard error for mean, CI, mean 0.95, variation, standard deviation, coefficient of variation. Standard deviation is very important. Coefficient of variation, skewness also very important. And then we have kurtosis here. This is skew error, kurtosis error, normality test, and then normality test P. This is Wilkinson test. So we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 basic statistic for January, for monthly rainfall from January until December. So you can have a lot of information here for your analysis for monthly rainfall. You can use this for other parameter also for temperature or wind speed or whatever that you want. So that's it for this tutorial. You have learned how to perform a basic statistic on monthly data and create an interactive Shiny apps. Feel free to customize and enhance this app for your specific datasets and analysis needs. So happy coding. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friend.